Let us try to solve this fourth question, which says that subtract this from this. So 4.7 into 10 power minus 4, and from this has to be subtracted, right? Converting it into the lowest power format. This is minus 4, so this one also should be converted to the minus 4. So the reduction will be minus 4. Here you remove 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2 means upon 100. Here if you divide by 100, it will be 0.032. Here you can add 0 zeros to facilitate the subtraction. Now if you subtract, this is 8, 6 into 10 power minus 4. If you notice, both of them have only two significant figures, so your answer should also be in the two significant figures. So this has to be removed by round off, so it will be 4.7 into 10 power minus 4. So that is the answer we got. Let us try the seventh question. In this seventh one, the diameter of the sphere is 2.78. Diameter is given 2.78 meters. Calculate its volume due regard to significant figure. So volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Radius will be half of this. So pi 2.78 upon 2 cube. Let us try to simplify this. 4 by 3, 22 by 7, or you can take 3.14. You can use calculator if you are not in the CBSE board. If you are in the CBSE board, then you can use the round off technique. I'll use a round off technique. So let us see how we can do it using a round off. This part I will simplify. 2.78, when you divide with the 2, it gives 1.39 cube. This one will be 88 upon 21. Multiply by this one, if you round off, it will become 1.4. So 1.4 cube. 1.4 cube that you multiply, 14 size 196 multiplied by 14, if you do, that is 2744. So there were 3 decimal points, so 2.7. And same thing if you do using calculator, 1.39 whole cube, this you do using calculator, you will get answer 2.68. So you can see that how close it is. Rounding off also helps. So here also we did. Now here let us say if it is 22, then this will go 4 times. So this is 21, then we can write down abruptly 3.8. Exactly not 4.2, or you can something more you can write down. This estimation you should know. See, 22 4s are is 88. So obviously 21 into 4.2 times will be around 88. We just estimate. So let this one be 4.2. 4.2 into 2.7. We don't have access to calculator, so we are trying to do as it is. So 42 into 27. 1134. So this will reduce to 2 decimal points are there, so 11.34. Now here in the diameter we had given 3 significant figures, so answer also must have 3 significant figures. So 4 must not be there. 11.3 meter cube, and that is what the correct answer is. So either you use calculator or you use perfect rounding off techniques, answer will be accurate. Now let us see the questions on errors. Let us see the 11th one. 11th one, it is given side of a rectangle are this and this. So length is given as 5.181 plus or minus 0.3, and breadth is given as 17.81 plus or minus 0.6. Find their sum with error limits. Okay, we have to find out sum. That means we have to just add both of them, right? So we know that on adding, the real parts or this true part gets added up and the error also gets added up. So when we try to add this, and this also has to be done, okay, within the error limits. And let us try to add. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures, so final answer also must have 4 significant figures. So when we try to add, it will be 199 22.991 plus or minus errors gets added up, so that is 0.9. Now there must be only 4 significant figures, so this will be 22.99. So 22.99 plus or minus 0.9. So that is the answer. Just addition they asked us to do. Let us do this 13th one. 13th one has two resistors and are connected in series, so again addition has to be done. That is of no use to us. The original length of the wire is this. If it is stretched to this centimeter, calculate the elongation in the wire. Okay, here again difference has to be done, so that is again simple. As per these rules you can do. See how does the errors in multiplication and division work out. We'll try to solve this 16th one. To solve the 15th one, formula for the 15th one is Q is equals to CV. You can try on your own. Q is equals to CV. Q is charge, C is capacitance, and V is potential difference. Let us try this 16th one. So for the 16th potential difference, V voltage applied across the resistance of 8 plus or minus 2 ohms, and potential difference is 20 plus or minus 1 volt. Calculate the current. So we know this formula, V is equals to IR. So I will be equal to V by R. We can obtain the true values using this formula. So let us obtain. V, true value of the V is 20 and the true value of the resistance is 8. Right, so 8. This one if we simplify, 2.5 it is giving. And now to find out the error part, we use this formula, delta I by I will be equal to, since it is V by R, we will write again the same way as it is written in the product form. So delta I is to be calculated. I we have calculated as 2.5, and delta V we know that is 1 upon 20 plus delta R we know that is 2 upon 8. Right, if we take LCM or try to simplify, delta I it will be 8 ones are 8, 22s are 40, so 40 plus 8 is 48 by 20 into 8, and this 2.5 goes this side. Let us see, 6 8s are 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are, right. Let us write down this again. So value of delta I will be 6 upon 4 into 5 upon 10, so that will be 6, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 4 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is, if you take it as 30.75. So finally our answer must be 2.5 plus or minus 0.75. It should be like this. Yes, 2.5 plus or minus 0.75. This must be round off as there is only one significant figure in the error. So here it must be rounded off to 0.8. 5 must not be there. It has become very glitchy, but I hope you have understood. Next we try to discuss this 19th sum. It is given that radius of the sphere is measured with an error of 2%. 2% of error it has. What will be the error in the volume of the sphere? So in volume what will be the error? So we know that formula for the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this one if we write it